This is Rester's Choice Reusable Gel Ice Packs 2-pack. It's durable, relaxable, and microwavable. So let's open the package to see the quality. This is the actual ice pack. The gel, I mean that it's really like a little bit hard. It's not like a regular gel. It's easy to push, but you see this? You need to push really hard and it flows really slow. So it got instructions for how to treat the cold therapy or the hot therapy. Yeah, I feel like it's pretty good. You know, if this one is like the liquid, it's like the water, it's really hard to put it on something. But for this kind of gel, you put on something like this, it covers really well. And now I'm going to squeeze it, see the quality. Now I'm using my full strength. Let me check any leaks. I don't see any leaks. All right, I think the quality is really good. If like the plastic bag's gonna be popped if I squeeze like that. But for this one, actually it's pretty good. The surface like maybe the nylon. I think each family should have at least a pair of this, just in case that somebody got spots injury, fevers, tooth pain, swelling, headaches, and maybe muscle aches and joint stiffness. And sometimes you just feel like your joints or your neck have some problem, shoulders. This is a very good way to treat. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.